Here we are at the Rio Motors garage in Kota Road, a place where classic and vintage vehicles are resurrected. We are here to see this Austin A50 getting a new lease of life. The Austin A50 is the predecessor of this Austin A60 which you saw in my previous video. Austin Cambridge, A50 and A60 were very popular cars in Sri Lanka. In a previous video, we met Sulil, the mechanic magician who gives life to these old vehicles. The Austin A50 was introduced in the 1950s, the A60 followed in the 60s. Austin was made in England, the factory doesn't exist anymore, but old Austins are loved and cared for by owners all over the world. It's a 4-cylinder petrol engine, no power steering, no power winders, no GPS. You just put petrol and go wherever you want to go. They were very reliable cars.